So now I got some wolf slugs right here, you guys. 2 3/4. I'm gonna be shooting them from 45 yards back there at that target over here and putting some nice size holes in the middle of it, hopefully. Okay, we're still at 50 yards. We're shooting some more slugs. I got 5 left. It's kind of windy out here too, you guys. Let's put these last 2 in the target now. I like this old school shotgun. This is my wife's shotgun because it's lightweight. It's a featherweight shotgun made by Winchester. 2 more shots at 50 yards. Let's put the gun on safety and lay it on the table, and I'll go show you guys the target real quick up close, okay? So not too bad from 50 yards. It's a little bit right on that bullseye, but not too bad. Not too bad overall. At least that's gonna stop any intruder from coming through your house, up your staircase into your bedroom. That's gonna do the job, definitely. They will go through walls, so I don't know. If you've got neighbors or anything, I wouldn't recommend using slugs if you got close by neighbors, because they'll go through your wall and their wall. So you got to figure something else out, but I live out in the middle of nowhere, so I'm good to go with all these slugs, as you can see. I'm going to shoot a little bit of bird shot from close quarters, 10 yards, a hallway's distance inside your house. This is what it would look like on the bottom target I'm going for. I think that would stop anything, even if they had armor on, any kind of armor vest, anything. That would definitely be stopping them, putting them down. I'm going to be taking care of the top target here with 3 shots, close quarters, 10 yards, a hallway distance inside someone's house. And that's what it's gonna look like. Like I said again, that's gonna stop anyone, any intruder, wearing an armor vest or not. Not too bad. It's getting kind of warm out here. Thanks for watching, guys. Okay, I got the 12 gauge out today with a little bit of bird shot. I'm gonna be taking these clays out right up here on this hill. That's how you do that. I'm going to be shooting right to left on all these clays right here. Ah. Not too bad. Let's step back a little further now. Here's a little close-up of some of them clays I'll be shooting at. Let me get that last one on the bottom real quick for you guys.